All right, now I'm going to give you a tip for the reading comprehension section. All right, so when you have a passage, you're going to have, let's say, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, and then whatever your last paragraph is. Okay. Then you have some questions about it that relate back to the passage, right? We're all used to that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, but some things I want to point out is that normally before the first paragraph, you might have some italicized information here. Okay, this is not to be skipped over. So yes, it is used to give credit to the author of the work, but it's valuable to you as well, because a lot of times these passages are actually taken from much larger works. So we're kind of just jumping right into one of these passages, which could be in the middle of something much larger. So a lot of times this gives background information that makes the rest of the passage much more easier to understand because we have the background information. And sometimes you can actually get an answer to one of the questions just by reading the italicized part. Okay, so do not skip the italicized part. Make sure you read that. Okay, the other thing is main idea questions. So main idea questions ask what the whole passage is about or what the purpose of the passage is. So if you can't answer the main idea question, reread the first paragraph and the last paragraph, because a lot of times the main idea is repeated in those two paragraphs. If you still can't answer it, just skip it. Skip it, answer the rest of the questions about the passage, because then you'll be forced to analyze the whole passage. Okay, then after you analyze the passage as a whole, you can go back and answer the main idea question, and you probably have a much better understanding about what the passage is about.